Hey beautiful, in today's video I'm going to be playing with the new Juvia'S palette. I'm so freaking excited, you guys. I already showed you guys this on one of my lives. I'm so excited to be playing with it. It's so freaking beautiful. Look at it. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. So in this palette there's a pressed pigment, there's eyeshadow, glitter, all that good stuff. Wahala is a Nigerian word, a translation for drama. I cannot wait to play. I'm not sure what to do, but let me zoom in. First, let's go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lids. I'm gonna go in with Makeup Shack T29, and I'm just going to pat this all over my eye lid. I kind of want to create something with these colors like this. So first let's go in with Busy Body, which is the shade right here. And Juvia'S palettes are really pigmented, so let's hope this comes out how I am hoping. Okay, let's just do it. Oh my gosh, look how pigmented that is. Wow. Yep, that is there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to apply it right here and then just lightly blend it. Very lightly. Lightly. Dang, that is pigmented. Oh my, I just want to leave it look like that. That looks pretty. Okay, let's just add that color, and like I said, we're just lightly blending it. Blending it down here and just tapping motions. That is pretty. Very pigmented. It laid down beautifully. Wow. Now we're gonna go in with Woke. Looks like a pretty lavender shade, and we're just going to apply that right out here. Then lightly blend. Then I'm gonna go back in with Busy Body, and I'm just going to just apply that over here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with BU. I'm just going to add just a little out here. I'm gonna go in with just a paintbrush, and I'm going to just go in and carve out the shape that I want. Ooh, that came out so good. I'm just so scared that the other side is not gonna come out as nice. Oh, that came out good. We're gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm just gonna lay this color down. So going in with some liquid eyeliner, I will be using the Balm in Swing, the black liquid eyeliner. This liquid eyeliner dries to a matte, so it's really gonna definitely make the eye look pop even more. Okay, so that is done. I wanna go in with Pepper Body. It looks so pretty. And then there it is on there. Look how pretty that looks. And I just wanna add just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with some mascara, coat my lashes, and then I'm gonna go in with some really dramatic eyelashes just to really just bring everything together. I really like how this looks though. The mascara I'm using is the Flower Beauty Warrior Princess. Ooh. Okay, here are the lashes. I know they're kind of dramatic, but I have these dramatic lashes and I need to use them, so I think they went perfect with this look. Like, okay, so now for skin, I'm gonna go in with the Zuva Beauty Liquid Chrome, and this one is in Trust Fund. I like using this as underneath highlight because it is so pretty, you guys, and it doesn't have like that metallic shimmer. It just looks glowy and beautiful and just radiant. So I'm gonna go in with that, and it just looks so flattering underneath the skin, on top of the skin. It just looks super duper flattering. See, your face just looks so glowy. So I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum Hydrating. So since we're gonna be going in with a matte foundation, I like to go in with a hydrating base. Okay, going in with my Juvia'S Place I Am Magic Velvety Foundation. I'm in the shade 540. I'm gonna go with my Juvia'S Place foundation brush. This brush is so freaking amazing, you guys. It's so good. I'm gonna go with my brush and just apply this foundation. Look how good that coverage is, you guys. Ooh. Thank you, mama. So here is this side. Foundation. No foundation. Foundation. No foundation. So there is my base. Now I got hiccups, some bitch. I'm gonna go in with my over contour wheel, and I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. Then I'm gonna go with my Juvia'S Place. This is number 16. And then I'm just going to blend this all the way. I'm really liking the really bold lashes. Really feeling myself. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm like in love with this. It looks so nice. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty, and this one is in Blondie, and I'm going to bake. So now I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Stay Naked 3-Sum up to 14-hour wear blush highlighter, all that good stuff. I have not used this one yet. This one is in the shade Rise. I'm really liking how my face looks, you guys. It's like full coverage. You can't see nothing. And here it is right here. I'm gonna be going in with the bronzer. So I'm gonna go in with the blush shade because the blush shade is looking very pretty. So I'm gonna go in with the blush. It's a really pretty peachy color. And then I'm going to remove the powder. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay setting spray, the one that has my name. I feel so special that it has my name. Super freaking special. Here we go. I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Shock Neon Liner, and this one's in Vivid. Oh, that's pretty. I'm not gonna add anything to the bottom. I want to. I usually always smoke out the bottom, but I really like how it just looks super duper clean without anything else, you know? I'm going with my LA Girl mascara, and I'm just going to carefully apply my bottom lashes. So here's the finished eye look. Okay, so I want to go in with like a reddish orange lip. Maybe it'd be too much, but I liked how it looked last time. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl lip liner. This one is in reddish. Now I'm gonna go with the Smashbox. This one is Thrill Seeker. already, loves. So I just went in with my Ofra Cosmetics. This is the lip gloss in Mocha, just to keep something like, you know, you can go really bold, or you can just go with something really nice and just like soft. So what I have to say about the Juvia'S palette, the Drama palette, it's absolutely gorgeous. In here you have so many shades you can play with. You can go bold, dramatic, and you can even play it a little bit soft. I know this is really dramatic, but I feel like I could have even went even more dramatic. You know what I mean? It's a very, very beautiful palette. This is the first Juvia'S Place palette that's just completely different from the other ones. Completely different. I've never seen any of the glitter before. I've never seen any of the shift of the color like that before. I just feel like this is just something completely different where it's just like, wow. I hope this isn't limited edition, because this palette is going to be everyone's new like favorite. It's so pretty, you guys. So pretty. And it's even a palette where you can use by itself, or you can use with another palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. Swatches were beautiful as well. Some of the mattes, I felt like they didn't swatch that well, but when I went in with these two colors, well, those three colors right here in my crease, they were really pigmented. Fire is a shade that I cannot wait to play just because of that swatch. It was just absolutely gorgeous. You guys know I'm obsessed with turquoise. I don't know how to say it correctly, but I'm obsessed with that color. So I can't wait to use that one. And Fighter, I'm just so obsessed with the whole palette, you guys. If you guys want more looks, please let me know, and I'll definitely love to do that for you guys. Just because like right now I've been tempted just to take off my makeup and just play with it again. But I wanted you guys to see this look, and I wanted to wear it a little bit longer throughout the day. I've already been complimented once because I had to run out and do an errand real quick, and I was just like, thanks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial slash first impressions. Let me know down below if you guys will be getting this Drama palette. I want to know your guys' thoughts, your guys' opinions. Let me know down below. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated with my videos. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!